Hello, welcome back to my channel ERP Tuesday with Lady Ruth Ali. More short tips and how-to videos situated within your favorite Microsoft Dynamics ERP. Stick and stay. We are in Microsoft Dynamics Sure Step methodology, and this is the approved and recommended methodology for implementing every Microsoft Dynamics solution. It begins with the solution envisioning or the diagnostic phase, which talks about the solution overview and requirements and processes review, proof of concept, business case, until the customer finally gives the go ahead or actually buys the solution or the product. A new implementation starts from the analysis. So we have analysis, design, development, deployment, and operation. Now, these 5 are the main phases or life cycle that every ERP implementation undergoes. Now, this is relevant to any of these kind of project types. So it could be a standard project, it could be a rapid project, it could be a big or an enterprise project, it could be an agile project, or it could simply be an upgrade from one version to the other, or from one Dynamics product to another Dynamics product. These 5 stages of every ERP implementation can be applied to any of these project types. And the good thing about Microsoft Dynamics Sure Step methodology is that it has resources for program management, resources for training, resources for business process analysis. It has resources and documentation for quality and testing, integration and interfaces, and it has resources to help with data migration. That is why this is a complete package for the partner when implementing an ERP solution. The analysis phase represents the official start of the implementation, and this phase defines the activities required to initiate and effectively plan the entire project. Some of the things to expect at the analysis phase for all project types, as indicated earlier, is the project charter, the project plan, risk and issues register, functional requirement document, and the fit gap analysis spreadsheet. A couple of milestones in this phase is the formal project kickoff meeting, a customer approval of the project charter and the project plan, then the customer's approval of requirements and fit gap analysis. For a brief summary of the analysis phase, we say that it is initiated with a project kickoff meeting designed to provide executive stakeholders, the internal project team, and the customer project team with an overview of the project vision, scope, objectives, key performance indicators, and benefits. In addition, the meeting covers the schedule, milestone, resources, roles, and responsibilities, as well as deliverables. Then, following the project kickoff, the project planning team finalizes the project charter and the project plan, which is approved by the customer. The functional consultants then conduct business process workshops and to document and model the future state business process workflows. During the analysis phase, gathering and documenting the customer's business requirement is the most important set of activities that must be undertaken when implementing Microsoft Dynamics. These requirements are documented in the functional requirement document, FRD, which is an input to the Fit Gap workshop. The Fit Gap workshop produces the Fit Gap spreadsheet, which is used to determine the business requirements that are a fit for either the Microsoft Dynamics or the independent software vendor solution. Requirements that are gaps will then be customized. The second phase is the design phase, and the goal of the design phase is to define how the business requirement will be implemented. The phase includes configuration of the overall Microsoft Dynamics solution and the design of specific customizations needed to satisfy business requirements identified during the analysis phase. Some deliverables here include functional design documents, which is the FDD for FIT, functional design documents, and that is FDD for gaps, technical design document, and then the overall solution design document. In summary, for new implementation projects, the design phase builds on the previous analysis phase by acting on the deliverables that result from the requirement workshop conducted for each cross phase. The specific goals of the design phase include core team training, including any independent software vendor ISV solution, configuration of the Microsoft Dynamics solution, documentation of the FITS configurations, functional design specifications in the FDD for each system modification, creation of the solution design document, which provides the overall solution description in business language. And this includes the capabilities being enabled by the solution in order for the business decision makers and other stakeholders to obtain a clear view of the proposed solution flow.
Nya bye bye,